Hello, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. What I've got here for you today, L4V locks for vans. This is a demo thing that I acquired or got off somebody for demoing their products. Little leaflets going here. There's the key. There we go. There's a key for that. And the same key for that. Nice little demo unit. That's not what I got it for though. I got it for showcasing the DADA L4V pick. Okay. So let's see if we can get this all in a decent frame shot. Get the pick in there. A little tension tool I like to put at the top. Okay, right. Let's get picking. So obviously we've got to pick clockwise. So get little clicks under there. Under there. Sort of funny thing going on there. Nothing there. Go back down. Click. Click. Come back up again. Okay, it's quite stiff there. So where's it gonna? Oh, let's go that one. There we go. Again, hook movement again. There we go. Boom. Job done. Okay. Now we'll try it. Anti-clockwise. So put tension on. Going through. Not getting anything on either pins. This one is binding. Got a click. 2 clicks. Look like click on that one, sort of. Nothing, nothing. This one, sort of funny click. Click on there. Now these ones are catching. On there. On there. Nothing there. Nothing there. So we go back down again. Job done. Okay. I do find it a bit easier to pick anti-clockwise. And obviously you've got the slam lock, pins are different. The Euro pins going down, slam lock, the pins going up. So effectively the pick needs to be upside down. So I remove my tension tool, stick it in there, stick the pick in there. Do it up again. There we go. And here we go again. So, pick. That's some dull thing going on. I click. There we go. Tension off. There we go. That's picked. Okay, so slam lock and Euro, and that is the DADA pick for you. Okay, again, please share, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.